The 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, navigation system, keyless entry, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.